Good afternoon. This is Devdatta Raut. I am going to present a topic: how to create a dashboard in Power BI. How Power BI working for data visualization. So let us start it. So our planning is to import the data from Excel. So our source of data in Excel sheet. So click on this import data from Microsoft Excel workbook. So click on that. By clicking on that, we have to select here is our Excel file. We have to click on open, then it will be imported. The process is going on. So we have to wait for few seconds. So we have to select the sheet name that sheet 1. Click on load. So click on apply changes. Click on close. Here sheet 1 uploaded. Let us see. This is our table header. So let us start. We will first opt for pie chart. Double click here. We will display location wise what will be the total training hours. So location wise pi. Here location is populated. Location wise will opt for total training hours. Here you can see different location and corresponding training hours. So here location and corresponding training hour we are able to see that one. Similarly, we will opt for another chart here. So double click here. So now we opt for a column chart. So column chart, okay, we will go for month wise, month month wise we will opt for column chart. So month wise we'll suppose we'll see month wise what is the on job training. We'll opt for column chart. So month wise job training. Job training in the month of October is 568 hours. So there is option we can export the data. Click on here. We can export the data in mode of CSV file. We can save to our local system for future use. Let us work for do not chat. Double click here. Suppose we'll go for that is mode. That is the mode of training. Mode of training in total hours. Mode of training total hours. See here the on job training is 1440 and which is around 10.8%. Similarly, we can create a line chart here. So let us will opt for location wise. I mean, suppose grade. Suppose we can opt for grade wise. Which grade in which month? How many total number is training? So month wise mode training for total hours. There are two grades, officer and workman, month-wise total hours. See, this is the line set. See here in April month, what is the total hour training to the officer and what is the total hours to workman? What is the total hours training to officer in August and what is the total hours to workman? So in this way, we can easily create the dashboard or data visualization can be possible easily. So thank you very much.